business. What business do Ugandans have with Ham enterprise businesses? If he wants to do private business, no problem. Do it the way other people do it. Hustle. Go through the formalities. If you want the land, please, there is no free land in town. There is no free land in Kampala, public land. You just come and grab it like that. Just like that. And you are saying you're a good Samaritan? Let me tell you this. Ham, that stadium was of monumental value. Ham never paid for it. Everything he has got around that area is free land. Everything he has got there, just for free. You get a free stadium, you get a free drainage channel, you create the mess there and even block the access to the monuments like St. Bali Kudembe Shrine. Everything Ham is getting, I don't know why he's being hyped as a tycoon. A man who just grabs. I told you, and he's... Anyway, let me end there. I think I've answered you. Why all councillors have abandoned us? We told you. I gave you a copy of the letter here dated 22nd. Dated 22nd of July.